Well guys, it's bulk pickup once a year in my town. I just found a pitcher's net. It's missing the feet, but I can still use it. I had to stop. I can't bring home any more stuff. This was on the side of the road. There was an older gentleman picking up a couple of riders, and I snagged this. It was green. My son likes green, John Deere. So I thought I'd grab this thing. It's a JS40. I know it doesn't, I know it's not stuck. I didn't check the oil or anything, so let me get this thing down and we'll get a better look at it. Looks like a pretty recent fuel line too, and clamps. Okay, well here's where we're at. I'm too lazy to go in and get my camera, so I'm using my phone. We do have fuel. We'll go ahead and replace the fuel filter. Look at this. Yeah, she's gonna run. Jeez. Intake is just, yeah. It looks like somebody's already been in there because they kind of rounded off the heads on there. And they've repaired this hose. You would think I was in there judging by this repair, right? Jeez. Try and save this gasket. There we go. All right, let's get this carb. Should take a picture of how this went. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. Yeah, I should get a workbench. I have one. It's covered in stuff. We have a shop and 2 garages. But we're out here on our hands and knees on the cement, keeping it real for you. So again, I just found this thing on the side of the road. I really have enough stuff, but I figured I could just put it back on the side of the road if I couldn't get it running or it was blown up or... Oh yeah, look at that. Some rust in that intake. Jeez. Yeah, you can't see. It's not looking good in there. I'll go ahead and pop this off and then we'll get the bowl off. I'll use some simple green and get the rest of this cleaned out. We'll go ahead and put this in the ultrasonic. So we'll go ahead and get this in the ultrasonic. I didn't even take the bowl off. Judging by how bad everything else was, what do you think this is gonna look like? I can't believe it didn't run. Go ahead and get this flowed out. Trying to do this one-handed. Pretty sure that's water. It's not even fuel. We'll get this cooking and we'll come back and check on it. Well, as you can see, it didn't come as clean as I hoped it would have. And I made the mistake of leaving the O-ring on there, so you don't want to get that hot. Bowl came out pretty good. I did throw that in later and took a small piece of bread wire and ran it through there. She's clean. So let's get it back together and see if it'll run. Doing this one-handed with a camera here. Let's get this carb on and then we'll see. We'll put some fuel to it. See if it runs before I get it all buttoned up. Don't forget to put this on before you put the carb on. Ask me how I know. So we got our spring. I'll just put some juice to this. See what it does. All right, juice is hooked up. Place your bets. Will it run? That's not the engine, that's mouse stuff. Yeah. So the John Deere's a runner, the JS40, picked off the side of the road, sharpened the blades, new fuel line, new fuel filter. I didn't have one. That is just serious mousage coming off of that. Don't breathe that in. Pull the blades off, hit them on the grinder, grinding wheel. That'll be it. I also have a new toy for the tight stuff. He won't use it. He's too far along for that. But good to have. Good to have. Got the front wall in front I can use it on. So that's it. Let's go get something else running. Thanks for dropping in, guys. Take care. Who am I kidding? I have 3 Honda self-propelled mowers. Leave it for the next guy. Oh, it's not stuck. This is our prize today. Never been ridden.